There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see.
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new in my channel, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best World Family. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And for my returning viewers, I say thank you for coming once again. I really appreciate your effort and your support on this channel. Yeah, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how we can prepare pepper puff puff. So let us go. So I have my 1 kilo flour here. I'm going to filter it first. Then I have my habanero pepper, my salt, my sugar, my milk, my warm water, and my nutmeg. So let's go. I'm going to add 4 spoons of sugar. I will filter it and I'm going to add my salt, just a pinch of salt, not that much at all, just to give it different taste. I'm going to drop my filter, then I will go on with my nutmeg. Like, nutmeg is what I can't do without whenever I'm preparing puff puff. So I'm going to use this 3 cup of milk. You can use half cup of milk because this cup is so small, so I'm going to add 3 of it, then followed by my warm water. I prefer using warm water than cold water. Like, warm water is all what you need whenever we are preparing puff puff. Then we are going to give it a turn up. Yeah, let's go.
If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever.
We have one important ingredient we haven't had to this mixture, which is yeast. Trust me, we are going to add it. If I want to make puff puff and I say that I'm in hurry, I always mix everything before I will add my yeast powder. So this is my pepper. You can use habanero pepper, bell pepper, any pepper you want at all. Set it aside. You need to mix this first, like give it a good mixture.
Close to me, that's all I need. If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever. If you remain still, then let's be the best together.
So I've covered it with this nice nylon. I'm going to go on and put this my mixture in another nylon because I really want it to rise quickly. Yep, so let's go. So here we are after 40 to 50 minutes. I'm going to mix it well now. Then we are going to add our pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper because of the kids. Like, when I was frying this, my kids love it so much. They were coming to ask for more.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you.
Before adding your dough, make sure that your groundnut oil hot well. Yes, if not, it's going to turn to akara. And when you are frying it, after you've already put your dough, then you now lower your gas. If not, it's going to burn. Yeah, so that's it. It's not that hard at all.
Here with you, that's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see. Close to me, that's all I need. If I could stay.
Can you see that our puff puff is puffing? I love going for hot puff puff like with pepper. I always love it. It will give you that like vibe taste. Yeah.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see. close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
I'm trying to show you guys what this thing looks like, but it was so hot. Can you see that? Can you see the dough inside? All it's puff inside. And the outside was so crushed, like, oh god, it's giving me all the vibe I need in puff puff. Like, this makes me remember what I used to buy back home. And thank you guys for coming in once again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye.